Hey guys, this is Mike, Ryan's buddy, and this is my 1963 Impala SS 50 millionth Chevrolet commemorative car.
Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome back to Iowa Classic Cars. Today in this video, we'll be showing you guys a pretty rare Chevy and a pretty special Chevy at that. My buddy Mike owns this car. He's had it for about a year, so let's talk about it. All right, Mike, so what makes this car so unique and so special?
So this car is painted in a 927 paint code, which is gold. Most people think of the 62 50th anniversary color, but it's slightly off. And they made this color to commemorate the 50 millionth Chevrolet ever made, which that car is now located in Pennsylvania in a museum. So they made 4,413 cars to commemorate it, which only dealers could buy. This color could not be ordered. It wasn't on the paint code.
So now all of these cars, Mike, came with a solid anniversary gold color, but this car has had a white top put on it at some time, correct?
Yes, sir.
So as you guys can see, the gold paint, although faded, is not like the typical gold paint of the year. It's a lot darker, and these cars brand new had an awesome shine to them. I'll put a picture on screen now so you can see what it looked like originally. So what else is unique about this car, Mike?
So the other unique thing about this car is the interior, which is no longer there. The seats, the carpet, and the dash were black, but the headliner came in white. This car was originally equipped with a tack, which I've taken out.
So it had a tack right here, right above the steering column. Had bucket seats, which the buckets are gone, but you can see that the mounting plates for the buckets and the console are there. And although that the 4-speed hole is kind of cut, this is a factory 4-speed car. So this was originally a 409 4-speed with bucket seats, black bucket seats, gold paint, and it is still sporting its originally 355 posi in the back. So Mikey, how did you acquire this car?
So back in 2019, Ryan sent me a Facebook marketplace link, and it had this car and a white 63 Impala SS. I went and picked them both up, picked the white one up first, 2 days later came back and got this one. I didn't think this car was all too special until I listed my white 63 SS, and John Groom at Antique Auto Works messaged me asking me the paint color, which sent me down the rabbit hole of messaging Carl Schnelling and Vern France, who were extremely helpful on helping me understand this rare car.
So the paint code, as you see, 927, that's the special paint, the special anniversary gold. And if you look at any literature for factory paint colors for 63, that paint code and that color will not show up. The dealers were the only people that could order these, and most of them were used as promo cars for the dealerships.
So the reason we know this is a 409 car is because there's a 1/4-inch fuel line that's been cut way down in there.
So the 327, 300 horse and 409 cars had a 3/8 fuel line coming from the tank to the motor, but 409 only had a 1/4-inch return fuel line back to the tank. That right there is pretty much the biggest key we have as telling us this is a factory 409 car. In addition, while holes can be drilled, we do have factory stamped holes right here for the cross flags and then the 409, which would have went right there on both sides. It's in the same color. It's got the same amount of rust. So I doubt that this fender came from a different car of the same vintage and the same color. All right, buddy. The biggest question a lot of people will be asking, what are the plans for it?
So, I have most of the trim, the bucket seats. The only thing I'm lacking are the time and resources to finish this car. Will probably be for sale here coming this spring. If you have any interest, leave it in the comments.
So that's all for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a like rating as well as comment with any feedback on the car, or if you have any interest in purchasing this vehicle. And make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel for more classic car videos coming weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.